we guide you through how to blur background in CapCut. So, open CapCut and tap New Project, then import your video clip. Once it's on the timeline, tap the clip and go to the Effects or Video Effects tab depending on your version. Search for blur and select a background blur effect that fits your video style. Adjust the intensity slider to control how strong the blur looks so your subject stays clear while the background softens. If your version supports it, use remove background or cut out first, then add blur behind the subject layer for a more professional portrait look. You can also fine-tune edge detection to avoid rough outlines. After that, preview your video to make sure the subject remains sharp and centered while the background stays smoothly blurred. Once satisfied, tap Export at the top right, choose your resolution, preferably 1080p, and save it to your device.